Hello, good morning guys. So we're gonna cook our breakfast. What we have here is our favorite pancit canton. So there you go. It's pancit canton and it's our favorite flavor, hot chili flavor. So of course we're boiling some eggs. There you go. Yan. It's perfect match if you have boiled eggs and then pancit canton. And then of course a little bit of rice. Diba? We can't live without rice, guys. So this egg is almost done and then we're gonna cook our pancit canton na. It's been a while since I did a video like this. And yeah, kailangan ko lang i-boost yung confidence natin kung paano yung nakaharap tayo dito sa camera nang hindi tayo nahihiya, diba? Yan. Kumbaga, ako walang hiya na talaga ako. Just kidding. Tapos, pero pagdating sa mga ganito, yung mga video, ayan, kailangan maging pretty tayo sa mga pinopost natin, diba? So, ayan. Eggs are almost done. And, let's see. It's 8 o'clock na, guys. So, meron tayong work ng 8:30. Kaya, kailangan natin bilisan. Halun, lock ng cross ko, Yan, we need to make this fast. Ayan, luto muna tayo guys and then pagtapos na, ipapakita natin siya, diba? So ayan, ready na ang ating pancit canton. Saka ready na rin ang ating work area, diba? Ito ang ating food, a little bit of pancit canton and 1 boiled egg and also a little bit of rice. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating coffee. Sarap ng kape. So, ayan, kain tayo guys. Wala na tayong time. We only have 15 minutes to eat bago mag-work. So, you guys have a great day.